Hello and welcome to this webcast. Today we are going to do one experiment. Do we rename the items? So Microsoft released a feature 10.0.43. That feature is released in 4.2. To enable this feature, we will going into in products. There will be a feature management, and here we search, rename the item number is product information. This is a preview feature. This is not released feature, but anyhow we can test this feature, and I'm going to enable its status is it is enabled. Product information management, then release created products. Created products will be something. I want to change its item number. If I go in a journal, here is the I rename item number. Let's try this feature. Ask me the limitation, certain cases or huge disclaimer, and most interesting thing, it provides us a new inquiry that contains the item rename logs 101-Alice. Let's click on OK, and let's see what is result. So detailed messages, item, report, record, and update table, item label. It gives me a lot of information, that distinct product, records, relationship between products, inventory items. All this information is updated, and even it mentioned that 3 inventory module transactions also. This is a test and refresh. Product number, so it's my product number is changed. Descriptions, product name, search, remains the same. So that can be modified by simple. Product name I can still modify, that's a default feature, but search name I can also modify. So now I can check the renaming logs. So if I click here, so instead to be a report, it's a inquiry. It give me information that the item is this, the previous item number is this, a new item number is this, and starting and ending time is this. On our test server, it took almost 3 minutes to complete this process. So is available here, product information management, inquiries and reports. I click on this page, and here you can see this page is available with all those items that I renamed. Into release product, into product information management and release product. So if I select this into journal and item number renaming log, so you can see there is no history available because this item is never be renamed. And if I go back and search my item, I select this item and click on this inquiry. With respect to selected item, this inquiry shows the renaming history or renaming logs. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.